Hello people, my name's SMG and welcome to the next part of my Sample Genie tutorial series. In this part I'm going to go over some of the techniques and workflow strategies for approaching remixes. In the first part we're going to go through some of the techniques I used in previous remixes, covering certain aspects of layering and warp modes, among many other things. In the next part we're going to look at tackling a remix from scratch and go through the different kind of techniques I use for getting an idea going in a remix setting. Other techniques that are also included in this video series are how to adapt the groove of a track into something new, and the manipulation of stems into new and interesting tones and sounds that can be used in various areas of a remix.